In this video, we will learn how to transform white background into a stunning scene with Generative Fill in Adobe Photoshop. Go to the toolbar, click on the lasso tool. We will select the person from the photo. Go to the menu bar, click on select, click on the inverse, click on the edit menu, click on Generative Fill. Here I will type modern and luxury living room. Click on the generate button. You can see that a beautiful realistic background has been generated. Here you will find some more variation of this background. Now we will generate the background with another text. Thanks for watching the video.